Top 5 Solar Accessories. Number 1. Introducing the DAIERTEK 12 volts bus bar power distribution block, a reliable and efficient solution for managing your electrical connections. Designed for 12-volt systems, it allows multiple wires to connect securely, simplifying your solar, automotive, or marine setups. Made from durable, corrosion-resistant materials, it ensures safe and long-lasting performance. Easy to install and ideal for organizing power distribution, the DAIERTEK 12 volts bus bar enhances system safety, efficiency, and convenience. Number 2. Introducing the SOMELINE Solar Connector Crimping Toolkit, a must-have for anyone working with solar panels and electrical connections. This kit includes all the essential tools to crimp, strip, and secure solar connectors efficiently and safely. Built with durable materials for long-lasting use, it simplifies installation and maintenance of solar systems. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, the SOMELINE Crimping Toolkit ensures reliable, precise. Number 3. Introducing the BougeRV Solar Panel Crab Mounting Kit for Cars, a sturdy and versatile solution to mount solar panels on vehicles. Designed for RVs, campers, and trucks, this kit securely holds your solar panels in place even on bumpy roads. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it ensures long-lasting performance and easy installation. Perfect for off-grid adventures, the BougeRV Crab Mounting Kit helps you harness solar energy efficiently while keeping your panels safe. Number 4. Introducing the 6-string solar combiner box with 1.5A LED fuse, a reliable and safe solution for managing multiple solar panel connections. Designed to combine up to 6 solar strings into a single output, it features a built-in 1.5A LED fuse for protection and easy monitoring. Durable and weather-resistant, this combiner box simplifies your solar system setup, ensures safe operation, and enhances efficiency. Ideal for both residential and commercial solar installations. Number 5. Introducing the Jackery DC extension cable for solar panels, a convenient and durable solution to extend your solar connections. Designed for Jackery solar setups, this cable allows flexible placement of your solar panels without losing power efficiency. Built with high-quality, weather-resistant materials, it ensures reliable and safe connections in outdoor conditions. Lightweight, easy to use, and durable, the Jackery DC extension cable enhances your solar energy setup.